Rahul Gandhi's Pune visit has been scheduled on 22nd August, that is on Saturday, as we are right now standing at Good Luck Chowk. As you can just see towards my opposite, where the cutout has been seen of Rahul Gandhi. As you all know, कि Rahul Gandhi's Pune visit is scheduled for August 22nd, but his Chhatro Ki Goonj programs comes with a long list of police restrictions. Also, we have been seen yesterday while we have been seen the cutout has been placed. Many youths as well as the people were celebrating this, as we have seen in the visuals. But as we have seen, Chhatro Ki Goonj programs come with long list of the police restrictions that we have been seen, that Pune police have imposed 30 conditions while granting the permission for the event at SSPMC ground near the Pune RTO office. The program that has been allowed between 4:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. only. Even police estimated that around 8,000 to 10,000 people could attend the event. Organizers have been instructed not to exceed the venue's capacity and to make separate arrangements for the men and women over there. They have also been asked to ensure at least entry and exit points that need to be deployed. Even advocate volunteers, including more female volunteers, need to be seen over there. Even if we talk about the round the clock, even CCTV cameras will also have to be installed at the venue where this entire Chhatro Ki Goonj program is gonna take place. The police have specifically directed the organizers to prevent overcrowding, excess of noise, and any situation that could affect the law and order. They have also been warned against displaying or using objectionable content or material that could hurt the religious statements. Even the permission was issued by Pune's Zone 5 Deputy Commissioner of Police, that is Raj Lakshmi Shivankar ma'am. Even meanwhile, the Congress have already began preparation for this program, as we have seen when yesterday this cutout was placed. We have been seeing many people were celebrating, as there are very few days left for the Chhatro Ki Goonj program that need to be take place, and that has been scheduled in Pune. As we have been seeing in the nearby of the Good Luck Chowk, also we have been seeing many banners that have been placed related to Chhatro Ki Goonj. The Congress has also started promoting the program across the Pune, like through social media, billboards, and flex that we have been seen in entire Good Luck Chowk area. Even with thousands of expected at the venue, crowd management and with the police with carrying 30 condition will be closely watched during Rahul Gandhi's Pune visit. As we have seen, this is the first time Rahul Gandhi's Pune visit related to Chhatro Ki Goonj program is scheduled on 22nd this Saturday. Now we have to see, like, will this affect even the Pune's traffic? And even as we have been seeing every year or every month, if any higher authorities or political parties come to the visit of Pune, as we have seen when even Amit Shah have been coming or Nitin Gadkari have been coming, the common man used to suffer. That's the middleman and the commuters who travel using the Pune's road to reach their destination. As we have seen every time, if any visitor or any higher authorities are coming to their visit in Pune, we have been seeing the common man are facing a lots of issue. But now we have to see on August 22nd, as we have seen, the program is going to take place in the evening time, and that is also very peak time where we see most of the traffic is seen on the roads. But now we have to give a close watch, as we know that there is a Chhatro Ki Goonj program that is taking place on Saturday. Even we need to think about the middleman, even the commuters who are traveling on that road. Now we have to see, as we have seen, 30 conditions have been kept before this entire event. Now we have to even look for the what will the middleman face during that specific day. Is there any traffic that will be disrupted? Will the common man suffer with the traffic or not? With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.